Hi guys, good morning. Ani ako karon sa daywalk sa Naga. Gikan ko nagatod sa akong estudyante. Hapit ko diri maglakaw-lakaw. Magpainit sa sayo sa Kabuntagon. Time check 7:08. Maglakaw-lakaw bisag mga salang katuyok or duha ba. Mao ni karon ang decoration diri sa Naga guys. Hapit na ang opening of Christmas lights karong December 8. Bago ilahang mga decoration karon. Maniga na ni sila karong December 8 guys. Daghang butterflies. Good morning. Here, baby, I have around here. Oh, siga ni sila karong ito. Nindo takanit ang awon guys. Flowering solar nga lights. Baby, I hang around here a little more than I should. We both know I get somewhere else to go, but I have something to tell you that I never told the would. But I believe you really ought to know. The Philippine flag. I love you. I still love you. Dahang kay Jackstone stones diri guys, oh. Pang-alisa. Dagkong mga balud. I'm not trying to make you feel uncomfortable. I'm not trying to make you anything at all. But this feeling doesn't come along every day. I shouldn't blow the chance when I get the chance to say I love you. I honestly love you. Ningaw lagi kayo rong buntag. Huwag kay ga-hike. O, naulahi lang ko. Human na sila. Nanguli na. %90 mahuman na. 2 days left na lang. December 8 ang opening of Christmas lights diri sa Dakbayan sa Naga, Cebu. Mao na siya ang Land Transportation Office, guys. Here I am, alone, and I don't understand exactly how it all began. The dream just walked away. Ang pasilong, guys, pasilong sa Naga, dahang ka yung butterfly, oh. Musiga po na sila. Wow, kanindot. Kanindot there is a pasilong, guys. Sulod ko dire kay open naman ang gate. Kabugnaw o ka landong tungod sa mga kahoy. Toyo pod adere. Pasilong sa Naga. Dindot gid siya pasilongan. Kay bugnaw, landong, og maminaw ka sa tubig. Ang agos ng tubig. I never dreamed, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. Ang simbahan, guys, at bangra sa pasilong. Now I could swear love is just a game that children play. So tell me that you stay till I met you. I never knew what love was till I met you. This feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. I believe you. I believe in every word when you say I love you all the way. When I could swear love is not a game that children play. So tell me that you'd stay. Daraang metro guys, ano guys? Oh, ilang suga. Oh, color orange. So, ano mo idea? Unsay siga ani niya karong 8. Orange is the color of Christmas there is a Naga. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. Till I met you. Till I met you. Till I met you. City Hall of Naga. Daghan color ang butterflies dere guys ay murag ang sa pasilong ra mao'y puti. Dere kay na ay green, na ay red, blue, yellow, sa children's playground. At pang niya ang City Hall. Different colors of butterflies. O diri ang dagko na ang mga flowers. Butterflies. Ito kay color ani niya no. Last year dagan man tong gipanggitay. Hapit na ko mahuman sa akong walking guys. Nanasay bagong trending ron karon no sa social media. Ay, wala na ng problema oy basta kita guys. Karong December 8 mananaw taon sa color ani niya. Green siguro ni the tears that I shed. Kapit na sila mahuman. Mabawaan na akong si color. Karong 8 sa gabi. Walking under the sun. Hapit na ko moabot sa akong kauban, guys. Manguli na mi. Mga 30 minutes gyud ang ako ang paglakaw-lakaw diri sa Baywalk. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. Yara akong kauban, guys. Willing din siya magpaabot na ako. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.